without accepted by agreed draw against round number 11 with FIDE candidates with opens candidates here. So between with Grandmaster with the Netherlands is Anish Giri fighting against with battle against Grandmaster in Russia, Andrei Esipenko. So what do you think about this one with best games here with round number 11 here? So let's study of this play chess here. White against with Grandmaster Anish Giri and black pieces by Grandmaster Andrei Esipenko. So it means exchange clocks within 2 hours with standard games form here. So what do you think about this after of this one? Would no mistake, no X move, and no blunder ratios here. So in this part of these videos here, it is round number 11 and also having analyzed of the standings here. So white plays Giri is d4, d5 Esipenko, c4, e6, queen's gambit decline, knight c3, bishop e7. It is called by openings queen's gambit decline Charosik variation. So it means without Charosik. So Charosik is a variation here. Captured with Giri, captured with Esipenko, bishop f4, knight f6 by Esipenko here. So without upcoming by next castling kingside here. And Giri is pawn e3 to opening by light square with bishop, castle kingside by Esipenko, and also knight f3 by Giri, c5. So this is a with the year of 2026 new move, so novelty by Esipenko. With the old main lines with the year of with throwbacks in the year of 1981, bishop to f5. So bishop f5 here. So bishop f5 is a year of 1981 with according by with chess algebra formalized here. So this is a chess here. So this is a year of 2026 is new move by c5 with the year of today's 2026 with Grandmaster Esipenko here. Captured this pawn by Giri here. Bishop captured by Esipenko. And also bishop e2 by Giri by with plannings by next castling. So this is a next castling kingside. Knight c6 by Esipenko. Castle kingside by Giri. Bishop e6 to controls against with formalized against more of this defense here. Or maybe without next up push by this one with d4. So this is a very strong move against with Esipenko. Queen a4. What a good move by this one by Anish Giri. So this is a very strong move here. And also h6 here. So why h6 here? So h6 so no more by bishop to g5. So this is a no more by bishop g5 or knight g5. So this is a connected by pass pawn. Rook fd1 by Giri. Queen b6 by Esipenko. So this is a very strong move here. Or maybe what the plans with Esipenko with threatening the pawn with b2 with white pawns with threatening attacks here. And Giri, queen b5 to blocking against that with Giri against by challenge by queen to queen here. And also a6 with threatening the queens here. And Giri accepted queen takes, bishop captured, knight to a4 to threatening to prevent by threatening the continuations by threatening the bishop here. And Esipenko is need backwards against with bishop a7, bishop d6 to wear the moves here with bishop d6 by Giri to prevent by threatening the rook here. So attacks the targets. And Esipenko rook fc8. So this is a more of this one with avoided to transferring the moves here. Without bishop c5 against with backwards. So backwards against with dark square against the bishop to bishop here with challenging. And without accepted by Esipenko, bishop captured, knight takes with Giri. Or without threatening the with bishop here. So threats the bishop and threatening the pawns. So this is a more two types of double attacks here. Knight e5 by Esipenko to threatening the knights here. Or maybe move side by knight to d7 here with Esipenko without ideas here. And Giri is rook ac1, knight ed7 to Esipenko by transferring against attacks the knights. So it means choose knight or bishop with captured. Avoided what? So avoided What happened by avoided with Giri? So it means why cannot captured with bishop and knights here? Except here, for example, except why don't we knight captured? If you knight takes d7 here, and also knight captured, so knight takes d7 here. So if you knight to d4, okay, knight d4 with threatening the with bishop here, so threats the bishop here, and also with knight to c5. Okay, knight c5 to blocking against no more by rook to rook challenging. So this is a first examples. So another here. Okay, another. So second example, why don't we knight captured bishop here? If we knight takes captured bishop, capture the pawns here. So f takes captured. If you knight d4 here, so knight d4, and also with king to f7. So king f7 and g3 with pawns. So this is a second examples. Another by third examples. Okay, another third examples here. So it means in accept, why don't we with knight captured here? If we knight captured pawns here, and also rook a b8. Okay, rook a b8 here. Oh, rook a b8, or maybe here by rook c b8. So rook c b8 here. So I'm going to example to review against that. So it means rook c b8. So not rook a b8 here. So rook c b8. So if you knight to a5 here, if you knight a5 here, and also rook captured pawns. So very strong move against with more blocks here, with ideas with threatening the bishops here. So without threatening the bishop. So it means if you rook d2 to shield protects against that two targets with challenge by rook to rook here. So it means without controls, without idea here, and without battery, rook a b8. Rook a b8 here. So if you knight to b3, okay, knight b3 to shield against that with knights with defense by rook. So if you rook captured accepted here, and also knight captured here. So this is a etc. So this is a third more examples here. So I'm sorry I got wrong decided against with examples. I thought rook cb8, so I thought very wrong moves against with rook a b8 here. So this is the examples. Okay, so without backdoor, this one without idea is avoided knight d3. So why knight d3? If you so it means, so why don't we knight captured knights and knight captured with bishop? So this is a more controls without idea with d3 to avoided by knights here. So knight d3 to prevents by challenge by rook to rook. So it means challenged by rook to rook here. So very controls by without positional moves against with development here. And also with Esipenko is king f8 here. So what the plans? Or maybe here by force against with king must be active, king is e7 here. So this is a king e7. And also knight d4 against with e3. So what the plans? Or maybe threatening the bishop here. So threats the bishop, king e7 to prevent by Esipenko to defense by bishop here. And also f3. Okay, f3 here. So this is a provides here. I'm sorry I forgot something here. So in accept here, why don't we rook captured here? If you rook captured here, c8 check, rook captured here. If you rook captured c8, and also with knight to d4. Okay, knight d4 to prevent by this one by good explanations, for example, because this is a double knights here, so cannot move side here, so cannot move by this one with more with this positional. If you cannot move against that with rook c2, so this is a prevents by double by knights here. So this is a easy examples. So without backdoor, this one is knight d4 to prevent by Giri attacks the bishop, king e7 by Esipenko, f3, and also knight e8 by Esipenko. So what the plans here by Esipenko, or maybe here by transferring by maneuvers knight c7. So knight c7, or maybe here by knight to d6 here. So prevents by controls against with next maneuver here. And also with Giri is king f2. To provide against that, 2 controls by with king must be active with force move again. Knight d6 against provide against with Esipenko. So what the plans? Or maybe transferring against with knight to b5, or maybe here knight f5 here. To prevent by this one by next maneuver here. And also with g4, or maybe by next of h4 here. So h4 is the next move. g5 and also h4, sorry. So h4 sacrifice here. So this is a sacrifice. I forgot something. So in accept. So why don't we rook captured? If you rook captured c1 with accepted, rook captured here, and also with rook c8. So rook c8. So it means if you rook captured accepted, knight captured rook. So it means with double knights and bishop versus double knights against with bishop here. So this is a 3 minor pieces by equals by pieces here. So how many pawns here? So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 connected pass pawn. So it means so same by 6 connected pass pawn. So it means equal number of pawns here. So this is a equal pawns. I'm sorry, I forgot my explanations for example here. So without back there is g5 here by Esipenko, h4 sacrifice by against with Giri, and also knight c4. In idea, why don't we capture? You captured by this one with free sacrifice, so it means double by Agnes here. And rook h1. Oh, with doubles. So it means provides by double. So double against with 2 pawns connected here. So do not captured here pawns. So need more idea to focus here. So without back there, this one is knight c4 with Esipenko here. So this provides by strong move. Rook h1 with defense the pawns. And also knight to ce5 by Esipenko to prevent by attacks the knights. Knight captured by Giri, knight takes by Esipenko. Rook cd1 to provides by avoided here. Because this is a defense by knights here. So it means avoided against 2. So never against by challenged by rook to rook. Rook h8 by Esipenko to provides by defense the pawns here. And also king g3 by Giri. Knight c6 to attacks the knights here. Captured what? So it means captured against with chooses by bishop here. So in idea, why don't we knight captured? If we knight captured choose, why don't we knight takes same by knights here? If we knight takes c6 check, captured here with knights here. If you rook c1 to prevent by attacks the pawns here, so threatening the pawns. King to d6. Okay, king d6. Okay, king d6 here. To defensive by develops the pawns here. So this is a good for explanations, for example. So without knight captured against chooses by Giri with bishop captured. So it means so good bishop versus knights here. So it means bad knights here. So this is a with more of 5 connected. So 5 connected pass pawn here. I know. So it means 6 connected. 6 connected pass pawn and also 6 connected. So this is a number equal pawns here. So equal number of pawns. So provide against that. So many are martial pawns. So it means this is a guards here. So without guards, without a sign here. So this is a provides here. And next by Giri is f4 with attacks the pawns. Rook ag8. Oh, with rook pairs against with Esipenko. Accepted, captured by Giri, captured against, and knight e5. Okay, knight e5. So this is a knight e5 to prevent here. So this is a more of this one with more knights here against by Esipenko here. Rook captured, accepted by Giri, rook takes, and also e4. Oh, sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice against with Giri here. So it means this is a very strong move against. Look at evaluation bar. So this is a highest by whites. Captured by sacrifice. Rook d4. Okay. Without attacks the pawns. So attacks the pawns and next targets by attacks the knights here. So this is a provides by against the More development by positional move against rook. Rook g8, okay, with Esipenko with idea with threatening the pawns here, without controls, without attacks this one. So this is a continuations. Rook b4, why is that? Why move against with Giri? So it means rook b4. So why don't we capture the against pawns here? Because this is a move side by two steps by this one with movement by rook b4 here. So another explain here. So why don't we, if you rook captured, why don't we accept it by rook takes e4 here? And also rook captured here. So it means so rook captured to prevent by defense of knights here. So this is a provides here. So rook captured g5 here, and also king h4. Okay, we're threatening the rooks here to provide against that two targets against the rook here. So where the defense and developed by this one to prevent by attacks? An idea is knight 2 without f7, because this is a knights with threatening, I mean not threat, so it means defense by pawn, I mean rooks. So defense by rooks here. So this is a easy by good solution against examples here. Without provided by y rook b4 against with Giri here. So without idea by Giri, with threatening the pawns with check. So without checks and defense by pawns here. So this is the defense here. And with provides by b5 by Esipenko here. Rook captured with attacks the knight. So this is a accepted by Giri. Rook captured pawns. Rook captured against with Esipenko to prevent by defense by knights here. And also a4 to attacks the pawns. Knight f7 to prevent by defense by rooks. Captured, rook d4. Okay, rook d4 here. Or maybe rook d4. If you bishop, so it means threatening the pawn. So this is a free captured here. So why that is rook to d4. To provide against with Giri to move side here. And also, knight d6 here. King f2 and rook c5 to prevent against that. To more controls against with development against Grandmaster Esipenko. And the one move against his last shot is king e3. So without decided by with round number 11 with decided accepted agreed. So it means so 43 moves here. So it means so no more by blunderations, no bad move, and no brand X here. So this is a provides here. So it means so this is a currency score here. So provide by draw. So the score with Anish Giri 98.6 and the score with Esipenko 98.7. So the highest score, the perfect shot, the winner is Andriy Esipenko here. Congratulations here. Okay. So it means so let's see up this one with final results here with standings open candidates after round number 11 here. Okay, so the score with 8.5 by first by Grandmaster Javoskir Sindarov with Grandmaster Uzbekistan. So I hope Javoskir was championship against 50 candidates here because he scored 8.5 by highest scores here. And number 2 by 6.5 by Grandmaster Netherlands is Anish Giri. And 5.5 points by Grandmaster USA is Fabiano Caruana. And number 5 points here. So 5 points against with 4 with Grandmaster in China Wei. And Grandmaster in Germany is Matthias Blobo. And also Grandmaster in USA is Hikaru Nakamura. And 4.5 points by Grandmaster India Pragnanadha, older sister of Vaishali. And number 4 score, 4 points with score with Grandmaster in Russia is Andriy Esipenko. So this is the last number 8 here. So okay, so the next up round number 12, so it means without part 1 between Grandmaster Vaishali in India and versus by Grandmaster China Zhu Jr. So it means this is a part 1 here. And next part 2 with round number 12. So what happened against difficulties with Deshmukh here? So it means with Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh versus with Grandmaster Alexandra Korechkina. So I will analyze here with part 1 and part 2 here. Okay, so I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. So, sayonara and bye-bye.